Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where fashion often thread fades with the seasons. One time standard at Mimar, a brand that speaks not only through fabric and thread but through emotions, heritage and artistry. Every Mimar does tell a story of tradition wounds into the language of modern elegance. From the first sketch to the final stitch, each piece carries a promise to make every moment feel timeless, confident, and uncomfortable. The journey of my dress being not in a factory but in imagination, a vision of beauty, both of life by the skilled hand of artisan who understand that true beauty lies in detail. The soft draft of skill, the quiet of shimmer and embellishment, the way of fabric movement moves with grace. They are not but the result of passion, but the passion and purpose. When you wear a Mima dress, you don't just put on an outfit. You step into a story. It's a feeling that dance, one that honors strength, confidence, and individually. Every woman, every minimal refined for a day of wit, Mima dress with the heart of dreamer and the soul of artist. Every collection reflects the spirit of timeless, not loud, not feeling, but powerful. In each dress is a celebration of craftsmanship, blending classic form with expression from hand embroidery that capture light like memory due to modern cut that finding grace Mimar creates not just garment but experience. To Mimar is to wear confidence to embody voice and passion. It's about feeling beautiful and your own skin, about embracing elegance not as a performance but as a natural state of being. With every step, every gallant, every moment, a Mimar dress transforms the ordinary to extraordinary. Mimar is just not fashion, it's emotion, it's legacy, the art of being uncomfortable. Mimar dress is a very nice design and the nice color. If you enjoy, like, share